Hello again, this is Fereidoon at Tavasoli's electrical training channel. I'm here with another review video on this electronic screwdriver set or precision screwdriver set. This comes in this compartment with a handle which is nicely snugged in the middle, and it's got a magnet inside there to hold any of these bits tight so they won't fall out, unlike their counterfeit ones. And the screwdriver bits, usual ones, the flat ones and flat screw bits, flat screwdriver bits, Phillips screwdriver bits, different sizes and shapes, and also security screwdriver bits. Not all the security bits, but they're mostly there, and it's a very useful, handy little tool to have in your toolbox as an electrical or electronic engineer. Thank you again, and I'll see you with another video soon.